Before we jump into today's problem, let me ask you something. When you see a question that looks long, do you sometimes jump straight into the part that feels easiest? Yeah, many people do that, especially in this one. Because today we have 66 divided by 66 over 6 times 6. At first glance it looks scary, but then suddenly it looks super simple. And that's where people fall into the trap. Watch what most people do. They look at this and immediately say, "Oh nice, I can cancel this 6 with this 6. So they do this multiplication first. Then it becomes 66. And they go, "Perfect. Now 66 divided by 66 is just 1. And they feel confident. They think the answer is 1. They even move to the next question like nothing happened. But, ooh, that is not correct. This is exactly why so many students get fooled by problems like this. It looks easy. It feels easy. But the order of operations has one small rule that changes everything. Multiplication and division have the same priority, so we always move from left to right. If you jump to the multiplication early, you completely break the structure of the problem. So let's slow down, breathe, and handle it the proper way. We start again. 66 divided by 66 over 6 times 6. Left to right means the first thing we must deal with is 66 divided by 66 over 6. Now here comes the fun part. The classic KCF idea. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first one exactly as it is. Change division to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. So now this becomes 66 times 6 over 66, then times 6. Now look closely. 66 times 6 over 66, we can cancel this 66 with this 66. Ooh, nice and clean. And it becomes just 6. And we still have times 6. 6 times 6 gives us 36. And that is the actual answer, the real one. The one that follows the rules. The one that does not fall for the trap. The correct answer is 36. Now tell me in the comments, did you fall for the first answer for a second? And if you want more problems that trick almost everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe.